How to send messages with special effects on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send messages with some really cool special effects on your iPhone. It's easy and fun, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the message app and choose the conversation. And once you have selected the conversation, now let's say you want to send something special like a celebration emojis or a simple emoji. So I will select this emoji to start. And once you have typed your message or chosen emoji, tap and hold the little green arrow pointing up to open the effects menu. And you will see a list of different effects like slam, loud, gentle, and invisible link. Each of these gives an unique animation to your messages. To add even more exciting effects, tap screen at the top right and this brings up options like echo, spotlight, balloons, and much more. Now for this emoji, confetti is perfect. It fills the screen with colorful confetti as soon as you send it. And when you are ready, tap on the green arrow to send your message with the selected effect. And the recipient will only see the animation when they open the message app. And they can tap on replay to see it again if they want. And another option is to tap the plus button next to the text box, and here you can add stickers, images, and even Gen emojis that you have created. Once you have chosen the emoji that you want to send, you can again add effect by tapping and holding the green arrow. In addition to the ones we have already seen, there are fun effects like love with big hearts, lasers, fireworks, and much more. These are great for any occasion from celebration to showing affection. And if you decide you don't want to use any of the effects, just tap on the cross button to exit the menu and send the message normally. And even if you don't want to send that message, simply again tap on the cross button and this will delete the message. And that's how you can send messages with awesome special effect on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.